is Unwanted Chip back with another video. So today I'm going to be walking through one of the beats I have made just now actually. So I just finished the beat. I was like, yo, this is fire. I definitely need to share this with my YouTube. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Anyway, so I released a loop kit like the other day. So definitely check it out in the link in the description. It's 100% free loop kit in the description. So yeah, definitely go and check that out. Go and download that. And also that's about it. Also follow my Instagram at unwantedchip_, where I posted a lot more on there. So yeah, definitely check that out for exclusive content. Let's just get into it right away. Let's go. So we're in FL Studio right now. So this beat is at 127 BPM. That is a different BPM for me. But I heard the song. What do you call it? Tell Me That You Love Me. No. What's it called? Oh damn. Let me check right now. The Juice WRLD one. Oh yeah. Tell Me You Love Me. Yeah, that's it. By Juice WRLD, Trippie Redd. Fire. It's at this tempo, I think. Roundabout anyway. So I decided to do something sort of like that, but not exactly like that. It sort of got that UK vibe, so definitely sort of went for that, but didn't exactly copy it. But anyway, I started off with this vocal right here. I just thought, why not? I just started off with this vocal, and that has some EQ just like this, cutting out all the bass and all the highs. So it's just more ambience rather than it's just being like full in the mix. So yeah, that's that. And then I added this sick free plugin by Valhalla. They do the vintage reverb, and yeah, so I just added Valhalla vintage not vintage, Valhalla Supermassive. I think it's a default preset. Yeah, it is. That's pretty cool. And obviously the EQ. And then I just went straight to the drum. So I believe I went to the kick straight away. So this is the kick. Yeah. That's the kick pattern. It's quite simple, but it's very busy, and then it's just empty. I think this is quite effective, especially within this sort of beat where you want the kick to just hit and then just go. It's very cool. It adds a lot of like suspense, and yeah, it's just bouncy as well. But yeah, then I just added the 808 pattern on top of it. It goes like this. Just following the kick pattern. And the root note of the scale, which is A minor, so it'd be A, and then I just pitched it down here, which is actually up. It follows the chord, so it goes to the second note in the chord, and it just goes up to this note, because that's what I did in the chord, so it follows it. And then just added a clap. We can play this together now, I think. So yeah, just added the clap. As you can see, it comes on the off beat. It comes a beat late, so normally it would be here on the third beat. I mean, it just adds that much more bounce, and like the UK like Afro beats and that, it has that sort of, it comes after, it gives that bounce. It's quite good. Should definitely It's just if matches in the beat. And then what did I move to? I moved to the hi-hats. So this is the hi-hats, just two-stepped. Then I randomized, R to randomize, by the way. Oh damn. And yeah, you wanna disable this pattern. So normally it'll come like that, but you wanna disable that. And I put bipolar. You don't have to put bipolar. Some people would like it, some people don't. And yeah, that's my settings. And yeah, it just looks like this. I did this 2 pitch down notes here. It just fits perfectly within the beat. For me, I think it's good, but I think it fits. It's simple because it's quite fast. It's 127, which it's quite fast. It's like so you shouldn't really do complicated hi-hats in my opinion. But yeah, if you think you should, then you should. It's your beat at the end of the day. So yeah. Let's play that out. Damn. So basically, then I noticed it was very empty. Like right here. I know. I noticed it was very empty in that space between the kick and where they were hitting. So what I decided to do was add snares or perks right there. So let's go check that out right now. So we added this. Let me play it for you guys. So yeah, I just played around with different rhythms and I sort of followed the same kick pattern. If you notice, it's the same as the kick pattern, just with 2 extra beats added on at the end. So yeah, that's definitely fire. It definitely fills in the space and yeah, does exactly what it needs to do. So yeah, that's fire. That's fire. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the drums actually. So yeah, we'll play them all together. But yeah, also added I boosted up the kick by that much. I don't know how much that is, but yeah, by that much. That just makes your kicks punch way, way, way more. Okay, so you should definitely do that. Alright, so then we go straight to the yeah, so we have the melodies now, but obviously I did the vocals, so that's the first part of the melody. I started with that and I moved straight to the drums. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and then I added chords in this pad right here. So this is a one shot from Kyrie's Beats one shot kit. Sounds like that. Yeah, and I'm just gonna play it for you, and yeah. So my whole plan, oh damn, I not my whole plan with that was like to follow the kick pattern, but like it was too busy, so then I just cut out the middle one and just left it like that, so it's dun dun instead of dun dun dun. So it left more space, and yeah, it's pretty fire. And then at the end, I just did like a transition chord, um, into into the one again, which was A minor, um, but then yeah, let me show you the effects I added to that thing. This is it. Actually, I did no effects directly onto Salt, but then I routed all the melodies to one. This is what I usually like to do. And then yeah, so obviously I added EQ, reverb, like this. I think I widened it out a little bit and increased the wet, but that's about it. And isotope vinyl, damn. Isotope vinyl with just a little bit of detune and 1970, which would that that thing. So reverb on this. Damn, I forgot I didn't show the screen. My bad. Yeah. So I did EQ like this and isotope vinyl. Yeah. This 1970. What that does is actually reduces bass. So damn. Whoa, that just popped up out of nowhere. What the? Someone just followed me while I was recording a video. Thanks to you, man. Thank you. Anyway, so yeah, I got the reverb and the isotope vinyl. What this year thing does is relieve the bass. So yeah, it's good to do that on melodies because it makes it more clean and yeah, it's just a different way of doing it other than EQ. Yeah, it just adds texture to it as well. But then the chords were a bit boring, so then I just added this little counter melody thing onto it, so it sounds like this. So So yeah, that's just a nice counter melody. I don't know what else to say about it. It's a nice counter melody. That you yeah, it fills in the gaps between the chords, but it's not too in your face that it's gonna take away and like or add but take away, because you know like a rapper can't flow as well on it. So yeah, that's that. And then added this little accent. So in between the chords it plays. So it's like chord hits here, but then won't hit here. So then this hits, and then the same. So I think I'll play this with the chords. Yeah, let's play it. Like that. That's pretty cool, and it also matches with this melody as well. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. And also I did this counter. Oh, sorry, hay fever things. And then I also added this counter melody right here. Yeah, just on top of everything. Just added. Yeah, I'll just play it for you. But I also randomized this. I think yeah, I did just a little bit. Just to make it more separated in your ears, because what it does, it randomizes panning as well, which I do that. You don't have to do that when you randomize velocities, but it does that. It does all of the little, I don't know what they're called, but you know what I mean, like velocity, panning, filters, does everything. So yeah, it's definitely good to fiddle with that. Makes it sound more unique. But yeah, all the melodies together, it sounds like this. It's gonna solo all of these. Yeah. So yeah, that's fire. That's definitely fire. Let me show you the effects I'd added, because I added like more effects. So to the eye, oh nothing. Oh, and to this little thing, I did free reverb on the venue preset. That's a fire preset. Makes it very wet. Yeah, pretty fire, and nothing else. So yeah, just added this, and yeah, all together, the melody. So I already played that. But yeah, now melody and drums. Let's just play this out. Oh, before I do that, actually, I added this riser effect right here, and yeah, obviously my tag, which is very important. Should always add your tag to beats. Yeah, you're not like an idiot if you do that, or like whatever. Like you should definitely do that. It doesn't take away from the beat. It definitely like you should definitely always put it, in my opinion, anyway. Because even if a rapper steals your beat, which will actually be good legally if you look into it, if they steal your beat, you can definitely still get paid off that. So you should definitely look into ways of doing that. If a rapper has stolen your beat before, but yeah, you should. Yeah, so you should always put your tag, because you can recognize your beat. Like say if you didn't know your thingy, your placement came out, and then boom, your tag is on that, and yeah, it's done. Yeah, so you should definitely always put your tag in the beat. Yeah, to be honest, if a rapper doesn't like it, then they're lost. They don't get your beat. Simples. But anyway, I'm gonna play the beat out. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. Yeah, as I said in the beginning of the video, my loop kit is coming out, so definitely check that out. 10, I think it's 10 fire loops. I'll definitely be doing a video about it. If yeah, I definitely would have. So I'll put the link in the description for the loop kit, and yeah, and the video to the loop kit. I'll probably make a beat with one of the loops or something, and what do you call it? Yeah, take a drink. But anyway, yeah, you should definitely follow my Instagram at @wannachip_ for exclusive things, like I'll be, yeah, just all that good stuff. So yeah, anyway, you should definitely follow my Instagram at @wannachip_ for exclusive behind the scenes stuff. I'll be posting on that all the time. So yeah, me making beats, like beat videos, just cooking up real quick. Maybe even lives, haven't really dabbled in that before, but maybe I'll do it if people want it. Definitely leave it down below. What else? Yeah. Yeah. That's it, guys. That is it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll definitely yeah. Loop Kit. Oh yeah. Young Wolf Mixed Emotions Part 2 out now. Streaming everywhere. Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube. Yeah. So definitely go check that out right now. Just right now. Link in the description. Let's get it. Um. A lot of the tracks are produced by me, so definitely go check that out if you want to hear my beats in a song. Yeah. So, yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next one. I'm gonna play this beat out. Let's get it. Uh, let's do it. I'll play this beat out. Let's go. Yo, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.